Welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how, as a doctor or as a receptionist or as a support staff or as an admin, how if you have rights, how you can import medicines in NiftyHMS through general settings. So let's just check it out. So once you log in NiftyHMS as an admin or a doctor, if you have enough access rights to manage NiftyHMS, you will be able to see an import button in your settings panels. So once you log in, you will obviously has the dashboard, and dashboard will have all the details. You have the prescription menu where you have the medicines from the left side. You can export the CSV from the prescription menu. This will give you the sample format of your existing medicines that you have in the system. Using this CSV that we just downloaded, we can add a few more medicines in the system. So you can do this on your own. You don't need to contact our support staff for that. So we'll just add a few medicines now. So we'll start with Atorvastatin. It's a tablet type. We can add medicine stock $50 to $50 is the price. This is just for the testing data, so it doesn't reflect the actual pricing. Let's add one more medicine. So it's again tablet stock number, pricing. Then you have the expiry date, so medicine expiry date, and then the manufacturing date. So this will help you to restock the medicine if you run out or if the expiry date is past due. So we'll add one more lisinopril. So there is a 3 years difference between the manufacturing and expiry date. So we can now just save the file. Make sure the file format remains CSV so that it can be imported easily. So let's just go to system settings and then click on general settings, and you click on country based system, where you will see the medicine as a sub tab. It is where select CSV file on the choose file button. Now import medicine. So we have just imported the medicine successfully. So we can check it out in medicines tab from prescription menu. So 3 medicines we have added. They all come up over here with the quantity as well. So if you click on any medicine, it will open up a detail page pop up. You'll see the pricing and the expiry date and manufacturing date and everything. You can always edit this particular entry to if you want to add the patch number or anything like that. But this particular medicines will be available in your assessment form. So as a doctor, you can always from the drop down, you can always select the medicine when you are prescribing the medicine to patients. So now just go back to our dashboard. Thanks for watching the video today. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.